Tired of the same old buffalo wing that everyone serves? One simple sauce swap creates an unforgettable Louisiana hot sauce wings that'll have everyone asking you for your secret. Start by combining Louisiana hot sauce, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and butter in a small pot over medium-low heat. Whisk until the butter melts completely and the sauce is smooth. Remove from heat and cover to keep warm. Heat your vegetable oil to 350 degrees in a heavy-bottomed pot. This ensures crispy wings. Fry the wings in small batches for 8 to 10 minutes until golden and cook to 165 degrees. Drain on a wire rack to keep them crispy. Tent with foil to keep them warm. Place a few wings in a bowl and cover with sauce, and then you're going to toss to coat the wings. Transfer to a serving plate and repeat with the remaining wings. These Louisiana hot sauce wings deliver the perfect balance of heat and flavor. Tag us in your game day creations and subscribe for more elevated classics. And if you love game day eat recipes, why not come to GameDayEats.com?